Hi everyone, it's Holly here and I'm back again this week with a beautiful new review and tutorial. Brand new launch in Canada, Prada Beauty. This has been, I believe, in other countries. I'm not sure for how long, but it just launched in Canada, so I'm so excited to share my thoughts on some of the products, and I'm going to do a little tutorial, mascara and lip tutorial for you at the end using these products. I just want to hold and have this box, I have this packaging, this box with me at all times to look at in my apartment because it's so beautiful looking. It makes me so happy to look at. It came with this cute little card and I'll read it for you. Story time. Introducing Prada Skin and Color. Since 1913, Prada has been creating dialogue and challenging conventions, signaling new changes with radical elegance, intellectual purity, and unrestricted creative experimentation. Today, Prada rethinks beauty, reimagining existing definitions and expectations. Prada proposes a free-thinking, avant-garde vision of beauty, activated by tech and creativity. We invite you to discover some more of our iconic products available as of March 21st in Canada. That's about a week ago here. And I have the mascara and 4 of the lip products to show you. Inside, again, we're dealing with stunningness. The little triangle Prada label. If you know me and some of my outfits, you know I'm a Prada lover. I have a Prada card wallet and a Prada 2005 re-edition bag, which I absolutely love. I love both items. I'm a Prada girl. It had this cute ribbon on it. I've taken the products out of here actually. The mascara comes in, expect nothing besides the most beautiful packaging for a Prada Beauty package. I was so excited to see what this was going to end up looking like because I knew it would be stunning. It has the Prada Milano label, the little triangle on the end, of course. It has the name Prada, which a lot of like sunglasses have in that same way. And then the texture, you may not be able to see it on camera because I didn't notice it until I had it actually in my hands. It has these little dots on it. It's not like a grip, but it feels so nice and satisfying in the hand. I can't even describe it, but it's these tiny, tiny little dots. The Pradascope mascara. Lash extending volume mascara. It has a hyaluronic acid complex, which will nourish and keep your lashes healthy. Let's see what it says on the box here. It's supposed to have a lift and grip with nylon fibers. Captures the lash fringe from root to tip. I'm going to go over that. Lengthens and separates lashes. Clean definition. They're not lying. Not a lie was told there. So the packaging, 01 Nero, which is black. Black mascara is mostly what I use, but nothing wrong with like brown or something like that. Those are beautiful shades. So the wand of this is the most amazing part. I honestly, this is just a dream for me, someone who loves products. It says Prada on here, on one side. There is no brush on one of the sides of this mascara. Like if you can see, there's brush on this side and flat. No brush over here. That's iconic, groundbreaking for mascara. Like I've never seen that in my entire life. Genius. I don't know who came up with that. So it says Prada on the one side. And then for the brush side, even that is different. So to me, it looks like an actual brush, like not it says nylon fibers, but I know nylon fibers are kind of like, you know, that like, I think CoverGirl was the first one that made that kind of mascara, where it's like the plastic little things. This kind of looks and feels like a brush to me, but I think it's nylon fibers, but it feels like a brush. That's how it looks and applies to me, but they're very short and very shallow fibers. So basically everything about this brush is groundbreaking and like nothing I've ever seen. It's so bold for them to make a mascara wand formula, everything that has never been done before, because a lot of mascaras don't do that. If you're into mascaras, you know that. So it's almost like someone squished this, put their hand on squished this as well. The fibers kind of they go straight and then they go out. Trying to think of what that would look like. Like if you took a plum and smushed it, maybe. I'm trying to think of what shape that even is. The fibers go out to the side a little bit. So the shape of it is just so unique. You'll see it if you go to the store and look at it. It's really hard to describe. And I'm not sure if you can really see it on the camera that well, but I'll try to zoom in here so you can see how amazing this mascara is. I will be applying this. You will see how insane the application of this brush is, but I have truly, I'm not lying, and I don't think I've ever said this about a mascara. I've never tried a mascara that does this. The first thing I did with it was went in on my inner corner. I have blonde lashes, so I obviously notice what lashes get coated and which ones don't. I have never had my lashes be coated that easily and quickly and not had mascara not get mascara all over my eye, but even being able to get those inner corner mascaras and do my whole eye in one mascara, it was so easy. Like, that is to me kind of crazy. And again, you'll understand if you have blonde lashes and you just can't get those inner corner ones, and it gets them perfectly, no clump, don't get any color on your skin, flawless. And for some reason, you couldn't get a clump in this if you tried. It is the most anti-clump mascara I've ever seen. It coats the lashes. I am having a hard time even describing how different it is of an experience applying this mascara, but it is like no other thing. I was just blown away as I tried this on. You'll see my initial reaction. It's amazing. It's easy, no clumps. It does exactly what you want to your lashes. It gives them color, coats them, brings them to life, and they look wispy and like you naturally just have long, healthy lashes. I am blown away by this and so impressed. I have Universal and Astral Pink. So this is a really cool product too. The packaging for this Prada lip product is so beautiful. Again, I expect nothing less. Has the little Prada logo at the end, Prada Milano, silver packaging, the Prada logo right here on the end in a like square around this tube. I just used this, so I have a bit of like lip liner on it. I'll show you this side. So it's green looking. When I saw this online, I was like, I know it's going to be, something's going to happen with this. Either it's going to be clear or it's going to turn color. I just thought that was so cool looking that it has the Prada logo on there. It has the texture built into the bullet, just like the mascara, that kind of little, those tiny little bumps, microscopic bumps. It has the Prada name etched into the side. Of course, we're not shocked by that. And then this is the part that I just love the most. When you open it and look at it, it has a little triangle on the end, on the tip, which is the Prada thing. Of course, they added that detail. I use the other side to apply. I want to keep it as nice as I can for a long time. It turns pink. I imagine this will be a unique to you shade everyone will have. It's one of those like magic things where it turns a different color on everyone. So this is on my like white skin that doesn't have any tan. Goes on clear, feels like a balm. So if I point to it, you can see it just kind of turned into a little bit of a pink color. It's not too glossy of a balm. I would say it's a very true balm, but a little more moisturizing than a like lip balm in a tube. It's not going to make your lips shiny. It will just make them moisturize without the gloss look. This is Universal. Same green bullet, just going to be a clear balm, I imagine. Next to that pink one, this is a magnetic closure, by the way. I just kind of felt that as it went on. When I apply it on my arm, you can't even see a texture to it. So that is just reinforcing that it is a balm and not a gloss. I have a couple lipsticks, which is exciting. Matte lipsticks. This is Soft Matte Tiapolo. So the lip balm, does it say anything on the box? Lip optimizing care. It has jojoba oil. I never know how to say that. And bifidus extract. Being a balm, it will condition your lips and kind of help plump them up a little bit. That's how I felt in the moment. Matte lip, monochrome B101. Tiapolo, buildable weightless color. It also has jojoba oil and bifidus extract, so it's going to condition your lips as well, which is great to have with a matte lipstick. It has a beautiful color to it. It's like the perfect brownie neutral. I have used this already and I use it in my lip look today. Perfect, like neutral mauvey color that's got a little warmth to it, maybe a little pink to it. Very, very flattering for a lip look. It is matte, but because it has those hydrating properties in it, it's not too drying. I like mixing this matte with the balm. That combo together is just like the perfect color and finish. The last color I have is Hyper Matte, so that's a different formula altogether. So this is going to be more matte than the Soft Matte. Obviously, it's Hyper Matte. Durable weightless lip color. This one has the same thing, bifidus extract and jojoba oil. And this is in the color Mahogany B03. So this is going to be like a true matte lipstick. This is the one that has a little different packaging. It has a gold square over it, opposed to all the other ones just have the silver with the Prada name, same thing, and the bullet's the same. This is such a rich, beautiful color. It almost looks like a little brickish too. Like, is that a word? Brickish? It goes on so smooth and easy. Barely tap the bullet. Like, it still has all those little dots on it, but I got a lot of color off of it. Glides so smooth, especially for a matte lip. I'm a little surprised. It's definitely got some red to it. So that's why I say it's called Mahogany. Brick would be another similar explanation for it. Such a stunning color. And this Hyper Matte formula I really like too. I'm impressed by how smooth it glides for being a very matte formula. And you can soften it so much with your finger too, where it just looks like that lip blush. I feel like it would be perfect for just dabbing on your lips like a lip blush. I kind of want to add it to my corners here. And then I have like all three formulas on my lips at once. It gives you that airbrush lip tint. You could take this with you and put the balm on your lip, like the universal balm that has no color or the pink one. And then just take this, dab a little on your lip and tap it in. And it would give you just a pinch of neutrally red, which would be so flattering on the lip, where it kind of just looks like a lip blush. That would be a stunning trick to do with this. Now, this is the insane part. Right now, I have been using the Velour lash curler. I was loyal to the Shiseido lash curler for years. It's such an amazing lash curler, but I do like trying new products, and it is fun to switch it up every once in a while. So I started using this Velour one. I actually really love it. I find it very gentle on the lashes. It's a really soft sponge, and it really gives like a doll lash type of curl. I absolutely am obsessed with this packaging. It's such a cool wand. I'm obsessed already. Perfect mascara I've been looking for and haven't been able to find. The brush and the formula. This is exactly how I want my lashes to look like. It grabs every single lash that's in the inner corner, which is so hard to do. I can never find that. And it somehow just picks up every lash, no clump, and puts it into the most perfect wispy position. So soft, absolutely no clumps in sight. It's like you're just painting on your lashes, like literally just coating them and defining them. I don't know what they put in this formula. Wow. I love my lashes, and I have been feeling so frustrated with them lately, but this is exactly how I want them to look. I'm just kind of like adding a little coat to each one, like thickening it a little bit. You don't even need to, if I'm being honest. Okay, I'm an instant fan of this mascara. Honestly, probably my favorite mascara I've ever tried in my entire life. Using my Prada Beauty Work of Art lip liner, one of my favorites. And my usual overlining through the middle and on the corners here. I'm not sure which one I realistically want to wear today. I'm going to apply this one because this one's just super cool, I feel like. Lip balm in Astral Pink. So it must change colors as it's applied. It must. It is pink. Huh. Beautiful. But it's very subtle. Very balm-like in texture. This is the lip combo of the day. My favorite kind of lip to wear is a cool tone brown and then a pink on the inside. So that's kind of just perfect. It's so smooth. It's like an amazing balm texture. I'm going to add a little bit of this one. Soft Matte Tiapolo. So this is a matte lipstick. I want to add a little bit of this in the corners, just to kind of deepen my look. The matte and the balm are both beautiful. That is my tutorial and review using these brand new Prada Beauty products. They're brand new in Canada. I'm not sure how long they've been in other parts of the world, but they're absolutely stunning. That mascara absolutely blew me out of the water. I can't believe it. Honestly, I've never tried anything like it, and it's better than anything I've ever tried in a mascara, that's for sure. Packaging is the most beautiful I've also ever seen in my entire life. This texture feels so good. I don't know. I'm having a moment. These lipsticks are so beautiful as well. They feel like a designer piece. I'll be throwing this in my bag, but I also want to like display these somehow so I can look at them every day because they're so stunning. I love the detail, obviously. It has the same texture. I love the detail in these lipsticks. Don't forget to like this video down below and hit the subscribe button and follow me here on YouTube. I post every single week, every Sunday with brand new makeup, beauty, and style videos. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there at the same handle at holl_ward. I post all the time over there as well. Make sure to leave a comment down below. I love talking with you and building connections. Let me know your feedback or if you have any video suggestions. If you're excited about this Prada Beauty launch in Canada or these Prada Beauty products in general if you're not in Canada, which a lot of my followers are not. They're in different parts of the world. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.